Hello, my friends. Welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. Today we are going to draw a helicopter. Let's draw and paint it together.
See its blades go round and round, lift it up off the ground, zooming past the fluffy clouds.
This helicopter has two propellers. First, I'm drawing this small one.
Helicopter high and low, watch it how it loves to go, swirling, flying through the skies, bringing joy to our eyes. Can you hear
And now
that
I'm
whirring
drawing the
sound
big
as it
propeller.
rises from the ground? Helicopter on the way, taking off without delay. Helicopter high and low, watch it how it loves to go, swirling, flying through the skies.
I'm drawing the
bringing joy
windows.
to our eyes. Can you hear that whirring sound as it rises from the ground? Helicopter on the way, taking off without delay. Can you hear that whirring sound as
Yellow.
it rises from the ground? Helicopter
Dark
on the
blue.
way, taking off without delay. Can you hear
Red.
that whirring sound as it rises from the ground? Helicopter on the way, taking off without delay. Can you hear that whirring sound as it rises from the ground?
I love drawing and painting so much.
Taking off without delay. Look at all the things it sees. Mountains, rivers, and tall trees. Flying high, let's count
Blue.
to 3. 1, 2, 3, it's free. Up in the sky, what do I see? Something buzzing just for me. Spinning wings, flying free. Helicopter come to be.
Dark blue.
Shiny colored light, zooming left, turning right,
Red.
circle round and take a flight. Helicopter day or night, fly up high to the blue. Helicopter me and you, round and round the blades do spin. In the clouds, let's begin. Hover low over trees, feel the wind, feel the breeze, through the air like a tease. Helicopter
Dark
we're
blue.
at ease. Touch the sky, reach so high, you can almost touch and fly. Helicopter by my side, together let's enjoy the ride. Fly up high to the blue, helicopter me and you, round and round the blades do spin. In the clouds, let's begin. In the clouds begin.
Yellow.
Fly up high to the blue, helicopter me and you, round and round the blades do spin. In the clouds, let's begin.
Thank you for watching.